Quality Control Restoration provides both commercial and residential services to customers in the Quad Cities area. Quality Control Restoration is a construction company with over a century of experience in roof restoration. They provide you with full roofing services and take care of all your roofing needs, including full roof replacements. Options include repair, replacement, storm damage repair, new construction and more. Roof coating systems are an effective and affordable way of waterproofing and extending the longevity of an existing roof. All of their roofing work then goes through a 21-point pre- and post-job inspection to ensure safety and quality. As part of their focus on excellent service, they are currently offering free roof inspections. Learn more at www.qualitycontrolrestoration.com.